In 2018, GreenPower introduced the first generation of its continuous carbonization technology, BIO-Kiln. It marked a new step in industrial biomass pyrolysis, based on the principle of indirect heating without exposing the feedstock to atmospheric oxygen. Between 2018 and 2023, Bio-Kiln systems were successfully commissioned in different countries, processing a wide range of prepared biomass feedstocks. Each installation provided valuable operational experience, helping us refine the equipment design, improve process automation, and optimize carbonization performance under real industrial conditions. Every completed project became another milestone in the evolution of our technology. This experience led to the development of Biocarbon, the second generation of GreenPower's continuous carbonization technology. The new system incorporates years of industrial operating data, customer feedback, and continuous engineering improvements. Biocarbon offers a more stable thermal process, supports prepared biomass fractions of up to 60 mm, and features a completely redesigned automation system capable of controlling the fixed carbon content of the final product. Its new secondary thermal oxidizer also functions as a high-temperature cyclone, significantly reducing fine particle carryover while ensuring complete oxidation of pyrolysis gases. Today, Biocarbon represents the next generation of continuous carbonization technology. It is the result of years of industrial operation, engineering innovation, and practical experience gained through Bio-Kiln installations around the world. Bio-Kiln laid the foundation. Biocarbon defines the future. GreenPower engineering the next generation of carbonization.